Let's read Barry's Big Bread. Do you see Barry Bear? And who is this? Amy Bunny, and he wants to bake a big bread. Barry Bear invited Amy over for a lunch of big peanut butter sandwiches, but the loaf of bread he had was very small. Barry felt silly. Do you see the small loaf of bread on the table next to the big peanut butter jar? Here's the small loaf of bread, and where's the peanut butter jar? It's big, jumbo size. I guess we'll have to go to the supermarket, Barry said. For some bread? Asked Amy. Nope, for something better. What is he wanting to get? Barry and Amy went to Sammy Seal's supermarket to buy what they would need to bake their own bread. Things you make yourself are sometimes better. And you can make them bigger too. Bigger is better, Barry said. But I'm just a small bunny, Amy said. I like small things. It's Sammy Seal's supermarket. Sammy showed Barry and Amy 3 bags of flour. 1, 2, 3. 3 bags of flour you need to bake a loaf of bread with. Barry wanted the biggest one. They have the small, medium, and big. Which is the biggest one? There it is. Then they saw 2 boxes of yeast. Barry wanted the bigger box. When there are only 2, you have the smaller or bigger. He wanted the bigger box. Amy said they should take the smaller sizes of sugar and salt. These are sugar and these are salt. Help Amy find the smaller sack of sugar. Is this the smaller one? No, this is it. Which is the smaller box of salt? Is it the red one or the yellow one? The yellow is the smaller box of salt. Good job. Barry and Amy began mixing the dough. Barry used so much yeast and flour that the dough filled up the small bowl. Just to be safe, Barry poured the mixture into the bigger bowl. Then he pushed on the dough to make it smooth. Do you see the box of yeast, sugar, and salt? And this is the sack of flour. Barry and Amy watched the dough grow bigger and bigger and higher and higher. Soon, Barry had to move the dough into the biggest bowl in the house. Amy was worried, but Barry was thrilled. I've never made a bigger loaf of bread, Barry said. Now we'll need more peanut butter and more friends to help us eat this great big group of sandwiches, Amy added. That's big dough, isn't it? Amy went to get more peanut butter, and Barry poured the dough into his biggest baking pan. Which pan is biggest? This one, or this one? Point to it. Did you say this one? That is the biggest one. Which one is the smallest? There it is. The dough in the pan was too high to fit inside the oven. Soon there was dough all over the stove, all over the floor, and all over Barry. Barry had made a big mess, the biggest mess ever. All of Barry's friends helped him clean up the big mess. Isn't it great to have nice friends? I hope you're a nice friend like that, and you help others pick up messes if they make it too. And they brought some buns too. Here are the buns. Buns were smaller than Barry's bread. Still, Barry didn't mind. Smaller is sometimes better, he said. But may I have the biggest bun, please? He's the biggest of all of the animals here. So do you see the large thing of peanut butter? And what do they have here? Jelly. Do you like to eat peanut butter and jelly? Or peanut butter and honey? Or just jelly and bread sandwiches? What is Amy carrying? Milk. That goes really well with peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Barry had big hopes for big bread because he had a big container of peanut butter. Who are these? Barry Bear and Amy Bunny. Thanks for reading with me. I love